Ryngkat berkiwi-kiwi ki Jylla ki bedon hagari India ke Jylla MEGHALAYA ru hagasi sejan jo kata yo kala Rakhe ya ke sengi yo alai duit ke banyu pusau jong kari. Hendrai kani ke jing Rakhe mentaka keti kala long ke compare namar ke Jingpyrkhing jo ke Jingpang COVID-19.
Hagani ke jing Rakhe ke belalong hamadan second ground polo. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan here kala malai rong jong kari. Hak balai dan lang ulam pang yang dorbar tauan ke Jylla uba amet ba lengdo ki menteri sorkar ki he officer ki he pulit hendrai menta ga ganti ki pat ba kim shimli olat man sakhi ya ke jing Rakhe namar ke Jingpyrkhing hak bedai bat ke Jingpyrkhing ke Jingpang COVID-19 ki he ki han shwa bakin rung hak jaka ke bakunlong ya ke jingelang ki la sha thau ke jingshit jong ki leng ba ke thermal scanner bat kle shong jingai iwe ni iwe pat menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulal menshim ya ke salute hak ba kita don ke beshim bentah hak parit badula airu eka Rashtriya Salute igini kenhuan ki bagenthop ya ke CRPF First MLP Battalion bat Meghalaya Police Radio Organisation MPRO. Hagini ke sengi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan ku buramru ya ki nyupu ingot kinong trei ketenat kakot gakya ke belat trei shirhem hak banekon ya ke Jingpang COVID-19. Konrad Kongkal Sangma haba jengkran hekani kesni ulai ku kerpang ya baru kinong ngele ladlu jongkari kamtam ya ukpa jong kajat benriau Mahatma Gandhi Jawaharlal Nehru bat kiwe-kiwe kentup igi kelawat ke Jylla ke kentup Yutirot Singh ukyang nangba bat patokan Sangma kebele kon hagaban penyo ke jing ladlu jagari ulong ba ka COVID-19 kalsyem ke jing im jagi brio bat kelakta ekipat ba bat ikyo ka kot jagi pat ba kelengkiri bat kum kena kelemat ke Jylla MEGHALAYA kalalong kum ke jingkermen kiwe pat namar ke jingruna ke brio ke beyo ke Jingpang kabalong syajar arspa arpo perangut bat kadai ke Jylla kaba dunatam hak jing yo hak jing ken per million ulong ba ke jing la ke Jylla beneda nak kena klam kadai leng ba ke jing trish tom jeginong trei ki ba kmat e cho ketenat ka kot kakya ki bor shnong ki bor sarkar bat kiwe ulong ba ke sarkar hak ni ki sau benai ki bela let ke laplet jingmut naga benta ban penklan ya ketenat ka kot kakya bane khun persya ya ke Jingpang bat menta ke Jylla kadon syajar san sepak teli ke jing thia berkerpang bat jing sumar ya ke beyo COVID-19 laifu arteli ke ventilator prapo teli ke bypass machine arlak san pun 2000 teli ke PPE bat labor ki testing center hagi khat arteli ke jaka bat kiwe ke jing kam bat ulai ku blei ru igriu pat ba bat hi kenhon boper ke belanok senyang kendai point san klur tengka syaga chief ministers relief fund bat lengba ke jingnok senyang layo bantiat sau pesan teli ki ambulans lai teli ki biomedical waste van bat kiwe shu ula keren ru ka bedai ke jing pentrekam ke sorkar Jylla ya ke restart MEGHALAYA mission na ke bentaman kentiu ki kampen roy bat ka yo ka kot jong ke Jylla habaro kiliang.
I urge our communities to embrace the new normal, be accommodating and prepared to welcome the tourist whenever tourism reopens. The government will put in thorough COVID prevention protocols to ensure the safety of both locals and the visitors. Dear citizens, the sixth and perhaps the most significant priority area under Restart MEGHALAYA mission is human development. Education lies at the core of human development. We are taking steps to ensure that children continue to learn despite the shutting down of schools. To facilitate remote learning, we are planning to distribute tablets to 25,000 class 11 students. On the infrastructure front, the process of construction of 13 Eklavya residential model schools will begin soon, and another 25 such schools has recently been sanctioned. I am taking all steps to ensure the completion of all the 40 Eklavya residential model schools by the end of 2022. The construction of these schools will cost about 960 crores. In higher and technical education, we will complete the construction of the 4 polytechnics at Riboy, West Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills and East Garo Hills district. We will also make investments in polytechnics at Shillong, Tura and Jowai. The degree colleges at Bakpara, Sora and William Nagar have been identified for upgradation and improvement, and an investment of rupees 12 crores will be made in each of these colleges. Healthcare is a cornerstone of human development. The government has always prioritized health, and given the current situation, this becomes even more important. There can be no room for stigmatization of any individual. The virus demands us to be vigilant, but not fearful. The economic damage caused by the lockdown is immense, and lockdown cannot be our long-term response to coronavirus. There is a need to change our behavior, incorporating the cardinal principles of the new normal: social distancing, mask wearing, hand sanitizer washing, and proper cough etiquette. With the right behavioral changes, we can continue to live our lives, conduct our daily businesses, and protect ourselves and our loved ones. Friends, I would once again like to thank all our frontline workers, the health department, the district administrations, the police personnel, the sanitation workers, the entire state administrative machinery, public representatives, community and local leaders, non-governmental organizations, the media, and citizen volunteers who have been working tirelessly to help us contain the spread of the coronavirus. Once again, I wish all my fellow citizens a very happy Independence Day. Kublai, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the three marching contingents, along with brass band from the Border Wing Home Guards, participating in this year's Independence Day celebrations here in the capital city of Jylla. Approaching the saluting dais is this year's parade commander, N. Subhash Singh, MPS, Assistant Commandant, 1st MLP Battalion, followed by Inspector Rajan Bordloy of the District Executive Force, Shillong.